Hi level people, welcome to Learn with Hassan. You know that you can use your WhatsApp as your note-taking app. You can use it as a notepad on your phone so that you use it in taking any note that you want to take. So to do this, use any browser on your phone. I'll use Chrome. After it has opened, go to the search bar and then type in wa.me, then / your country code. Mine is Ghana, so 233. Then you add your number without bringing the 0. After you are done with it, you tap on go or send, and it will bring you to this window telling you to continue to chat. So you tap on it, it will send you to your WhatsApp. And here is it. So here basically you can write whatever you want, like this. As you can see, it is keeping the things or whatever note I'm taking here. It is taking everything, it is keeping it here. Basically, it means that you are sending the message to your own self. So it's not going to anyone. It is on your own WhatsApp account, so it will save to your own number. So basically, that's how it is. After that, you go back and you tap on the chat and you pin it. Always, it will be on top. So anytime that you want to keep note of something, you come here, then you write it, and then you send, and it will save for you. And as well, as you can see, you can delete the previous ones that you saved and then make a way for a new one. So this is how you use your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp as a note-taking app on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. As well, you can share it for others to benefit from it. Thank you once again. Until we meet again, bye bye.